How to print the same columns or rows on every page. Have you ever had the need to print some data from Excel and you want columns or rows with subtitles to be printed on each of them? Stay until the end and find out how you can do it. Okay, first of all, we will open the Excel we want. I will choose this one. As you can see here is Sum Table. The table has many rows. If we wanted to print this, we would have to do it on more than one page. However, we want this line to appear on each side for better visibility. How are we going to do it? In the top menu, we will select the Page Layout section. Here, among many options, we will find the Print Titles option and click on it. A window will open in which we can set what we want. In addition to the main area that we can set, we can also choose which row will be repeated. Click on the arrow next to this option, select the row you want, and click again on the arrow, which is now pointing down. That's all. Now this line will be repeated on every printed page. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.